What a mouth-watering prospect this is. Two genuine heavyweights of European football, both with the potential to go all the way. It's difficult to pick a winner here. It's Atletico Madrid. They take on Chelsea next on EA TV Live. Hello everyone, great to be with you from Stamford Bridge. I'm your match commentator Derek Ray at the microphone, and sitting alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfield player Stuart Robson. And we've got action for you from the Champions League quarter-final. It is Chelsea against Atletico Madrid.
Well, we're now down to the last 8 and they're all very good teams. This game here should be high on quality, full of drama and a great spectacle. Let's hope I'm right.
And they kick off this Champions League quarter-final first leg. It needs an accurate cross. Must be! Oh, he's hit the post! Well, it wouldn't have counted anyway. The flag does go up in the end, and the defence can reorganise. Well, we know how troublesome he can be on the pitch, but what should we expect from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's loved this competition. He's scored some great goals, and unless he's marked really tightly today, I expect him to add to his tally.
He's got the right idea with that pass, and he's in. Can he finish? Not out of the woods yet. Really good challenge. Pogba. Well-timed tackle. In with a chance. Will he? And turned onto the woodwork. And the keeper hangs on at the second attempt.
Well, he's done really well, hasn't he? Great stop and then the reaction.
Pavard. Good movement. Senesi. Marcos Llorente. Beautiful pass. Offside, close one. Wesley Fofana. Pulled back. Superb block. Surely! And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here.
Well, here you can see what a good goal this is. He hits it so cleanly and the keeper has no chance. That's a great strike.
So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Calvert-Lewin. Defensive efficiency personified. Now Paul Pogba. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. Disappointing pass. Lukaku. He made it look simple, really. Opportunity in the wide area. Neto. Firing it towards goal! And just narrowly wide.
Well, it's a good effort from that range, but I think the keeper had it covered.
Lo Celso. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Well, he might be onto something. And still danger here. Just cleared away in the nick of time.
Well, that was a magnificent save. Just how did he keep that out? That's incredible.
Takes the shot. And a goal! They've increased their lead, and they don't want to be throwing it away from here.
Well, it's the perfect finish, isn't it? As you can see, you can't place it better than that, can you?
So 2-0 now. Tremendous challenge. And he's through here. Tries to lift it. Oh, and that is an audacious chip. Well, he might smile. The goalkeeper has no interest in smiling.
Well, he makes this look easy, doesn't he? But I can assure you, this takes a lot of skill to perfect. What a very good finish this is.
Let's have another view of that goal. Well, the ball is moving again, and Chelsea are quite simply running away with this. Really a very poor ball. Robbed them. Now potential danger. The keeper diving magnificently to make sure he got there. And now the delivery. Did his job defensively. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Lukaku. Just 1 minute of stoppage time, say the officials. Lo Celso. A danger here as he runs at them. But quick thinking defensively. And so the first half draws to a close here in West London. And so they kick off the second half in this Champions League quarter-final first leg. Was always likely to be the goalkeeper's ball. Good pressure high up the pitch. That's very effective, good high pressing. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Chelsea taking on...
Derek, this could be a goal here.
A goal! An exceptional performance this. 4 to the good now.
Well, here it is again. The through ball is absolutely inch perfect, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head: smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Into the advanced position. There to win it back. A meaty but fair challenge, and it will be a throw-in. It is an Atletico substitution. And providing width. Paul Pogba. And a fine tackle. Oh, nice ball over the top to chase. It was a menacing attack, but tidied up. Gives it a go. Spectacular save, top-class goalkeeping.
Substitution for the visitors.
And it is substitution time at this juncture, not just from one side, but from both. So the corner played into the box, clattered away. Giving the ball to the opposition that time. Moreno. Pogba has it. Lukaku. Nicely timed tackle. Not an attempt that will live long in the memory.
Well, what a waste that is. It's far too easy for the keeper.
Lukaku.
A pair of card keys handed in at reception. A pair of card keys and a wallet.
And for tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially. And a yellow card for that, Stuart.
And he's going to have to be careful now. That was a silly challenge.
Osimhen. And that is offside. Harvey Barnes. Moreno. Well, he's won the ball. Could be a chance to break here. And showing fine vision. And that pass could be troublesome. A goal! How about that? He's put it away to make it a hat-trick.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. And then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
My goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Doku. And a decent delivery. Not the best clearance. Good visualisation and execution. Inside he goes. Oh, and couldn't convert. Ten minutes left for play in this match. Niklas Süle. Excellent challenge. A really sumptuous ball. He just needs to stay level-headed now. And a touch off the defender last of all, so a corner. Over it comes. And still danger here. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. Space and time for the cross. And you need your defender to take charge. Couldn't hang on to the ball. Well, they know they need to stop him. Lukaku. Chance to finish. Well, they pulled one back, but perhaps a bit too late in this contest. They haven't been at the races this evening.
Well, just look at this again. He moves the ball quickly, he gets beyond his marker and he keeps his composure. It's an excellent finish.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. 1 minute remaining. The final whistle, and it's job done for Chelsea. They hold the advantage going into the return leg. Well, he often cuts the figure of, I think,